Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials: ADB and Fastboot installed, USB debugging enabled, and the device can boot into Fastboot. Connect the phone with a quality cable, then hold the device buttons to enter Fastboot mode. Once in Fastboot, run Fastboot devices to confirm the PC sees the device. If it lists an ID, you can proceed to reset. This step prepares the link between your computer and phone, so commands you send will execute reliably and safely. Now you execute the reset commands carefully. If the bootloader is locked, unlock it first using the correct Fastboot unlock command for your device. This clears user data. Use Fastboot erase user data or Fastboot W to wipe data and cache. Fastboot will report progress. If you need a full restore, flash the stock system, boot, and vendor images with Fastboot flash followed by reboots. Make sure to follow device-specific image names and wait for each flash to finish before the next command. To finish, run Fastboot reboot and allow the phone several minutes for the first boot. Android may optimize apps. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, immediately boot back to Fastboot and reflash the correct factory images, then check the partition table matches your device. If the PC does not detect Fastboot at any point, reinstall platform tools, update USB drivers, or try a different cable and port. These steps resolve the most common failures and restore a working system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.